So what have we been doing this year, and how did it help?
Felly, beth rydyn ni wedi bod yn ei wneud eleni, a sut helpodd?
We provided development support for voluntary groups on 826 occasions.
Including 246 cases of governance support.
We helped groups in Paris to secure £587,000 in grants.
We provided 67 training sessions for 467 participants.
We provided a payroll and bookkeeping service for 46 groups employing 185 people.
We registered 1,381 new volunteers and promoted 499 new opportunities.
We placed and managed over 400 vaccination centre volunteers.
Our community connectors helped 7,340 people achieve what matters to them.
Our befriending service deployed 220 volunteers to support 532 individuals and 5 online groups.
We delivered info engine training to over 90 people, increasing the number of registered services to 4,435.
We facilitated 23 networks and attended 68 partnerships on behalf of the third sector.
Not everything went according to plan, but we have learnt a lot this year.
Nid aeth popeth yn unol â'r cynllun, ond rydym wedi dysgu llawer eleni.
Our social value project originally aimed to support many of the kinds of services and activities which had to be cancelled due to COVID. So the project switched its focus to support groups with their COVID-19 response.
Some of the roles that volunteers generously signed up for at the start of lockdown turned out not to be needed. So we worked with partners to look for alternative volunteering opportunities and place volunteers in these new roles.
Many of us found the transition to delivering training and other services online tricky at first, but we supported each other to practice new skills and soon were willing and able to deliver online.
We are Pavo.
Pavo, ydyn ni.
Helping organisations, improving people's lives.
Helpu sefydliadau, gwella bywydau pobl.